All right, now that I got the kitchen out, last thing before we tear these walls down is to get the plumbing out of the bathroom. I'm gonna take the toilet out very last because after the toilet's gone, then I gotta hustle and get a toilet bag in here. We'll see about disconnecting the tub and going from there too, because we gotta get these walls down tomorrow. All right, water's off, so now I can disconnect this. And we'll undo that P-trap, and then everything should just come right on out. If you don't know, this is the P-trap. I don't know why it's called that, but that's what it's called. Now turn off this guy. Okay, just taking off the P-trap now. Oh. On old water. It's actually pretty clean, just out of the sink here. Now I am ready to pull this little cabinet off the wall. The sink was literally only held on by caulking. All right, vanity's out. Look at this fun little Santa, it's like a placemat that is taped up here, keeping the weirdness out of the wall. And there we have the other room. So the shutoff for this is way down in this hole. There's hot water, looks like cold water. I may just need to go turn off all the water to the main part of the house. That'd probably be the best thing. All right, now to disconnect all the pipes. The tub's a little bit different. It's gonna have a little bit more involved pipe down there that I've got to disconnect. Oh, and you can see it a little bit. There's the plumbing on the tub. Just a few little drips coming out, draining back out of the line. But that'll stop here in just a sec. There was nothing in there where the old vanity was, it's just a hole. Trying to free this old clawfoot tub, this cast iron tub.
I'm sure the claw feet are gone, Zeb.
Yeah, this is pretty tough here though. They've got it built in well, better than I thought. We're gonna try this approach.
Break the house.
My goodness. Boy, this thing is in there.
Did they use oak?
I don't know. It looks like old flooring.
It's probably flooring from what was underneath the tub initially. I just don't know what would possess people to take a clawfoot tub and then encase it. Like, why wouldn't you just leave it?
Maybe they needed a shower surround like they did.
Oh, maybe.
That's the only thing I can think of.
But you could just put a curtain up.
We're actually going to be keeping this toilet. It's in really good shape and it's the longer bowl style like we want. And we're going to be doing that style in the rest of the house. So we figure might as well save a couple $100 and keep this toilet. So got the water off. The way you pull a toilet out, you basically flush it. Once the water's off, you flush it. And that's going to get most of the water out. You're still going to have to deal with this little bit of water in the bowl, but if you're careful hauling it out, that won't spill or splash out. You can just dump it outside or leave it if you want. It won't come out the bottom. So on the back side of the toilet here, there's a couple of caps and there will just be a bolt. There's one of these on each side. Pull that off and then disconnect your water and the toilet will come right on out. Here, hold back. Now I can focus on freeing this tub and then these walls can come down. see if it'll go like that. Got it? I don't know where it goes. Just set it in the living room for now. So this is the last section of wall to bring down. We're going to try to hustle this down, take the ceiling down, and then we'll be on rebuild mode.
We have been here since 8. It is now 5 p.m. I have been taking out, as well as Ben Harrington, buckets and wheelbarrows of lap and what else is in here?
Plaster.
We're gonna rip up the carpets and see what's underneath.
There was a fireplace.
Yeah, we got wood floors.
They're not the best shape.
Well, we got wood floors that are going to need lots of help.
Good thing we're painting them. They'll be fine. It doesn't make sense to me why they're painted all around. Like, do they have a rug here and they just paint it up into the rug?
I don't know, maybe.
I feel like we have one more day of demo.
Yeah, I got to get these walls out. So we still have to take down all the studs and a little bit more plaster where we have this fun wallpaper over here.
Be sure to go to JamiRayVintage.com for any DIY products you need that help support our channel. We've also got some handmade stuff, some logo wear, and if you haven't, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.